If your JBL earbuds are not charging, don't worry. This is a common issue that often has a simple fix. In this video, we'll go through the most effective troubleshooting steps to help you get your JBL earbuds charging again. Step 1. Check the charging case. Start by making sure the charging case has enough battery power. Connect the case to a reliable wall charger using the original USB cable if possible, and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. If the charging indicator doesn't light up, try a different USB cable, charging adapter, or power outlet. If the case itself isn't charging, the earbuds won't receive power either. Step 2. Clean the charging contacts. Dirty charging contacts are one of the most common reasons JBL earbuds stop charging. Earwax, dust, sweat, and pocket lint can build up on the metal contacts of the earbuds or inside the charging case, preventing a proper electrical connection. Use a dry cotton swab or one lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts on both the earbuds and the charging pins inside the case. Allow everything to dry completely before placing the earbuds back in the case. Step 3. Seat earbuds correctly. After cleaning the contacts, place each earbud back into the charging case and make sure it sits securely in its slot. The magnets inside the case should pull the earbuds into the correct position. If an earbud is slightly misaligned, it may not touch the charging pins, which means it won't charge even though it appears to be inside the case. Step 4. Inspect the charging pins. Open the charging case and carefully inspect the small, spring-loaded charging pins. These pins should move freely when gently pressed. If one or more pins are stuck due to dirt or debris, they may not reach the earbud's charging contacts. Clean around the pins carefully without using excessive force or sharp objects that could damage them. Step 5. Reset the earbuds. A software glitch can sometimes interfere with charging or prevent the earbuds from communicating properly with the charging case. Perform a factory reset using the method recommended for your specific JBL earbud model. Once the reset is complete, place the earbuds back into the charging case and allow them to charge for a while before testing them again. Step 6. Charge earbuds for longer. If the earbuds have been completely drained for an extended period, they may need more time before they respond. Leave both earbuds in a fully charged case for at least 2 to 3 hours. Deeply discharged lithium-ion batteries sometimes require a longer charging period before the charging indicators or the earbuds themselves become active again. Step 7. Try charging cable and adapter. A faulty charging cable or wall adapter can prevent the charging case from receiving enough power. Try using another USB cable, another compatible wall adapter, and a different power outlet. Avoid charging through low-power USB ports on older computers, as they may not provide stable power for the charging case.